bread and oatmeal bar. So first, nag-toast ako ng mga sliced bread sa butter, pinalamig hanggang tumigas, and then dinurog. So aside sa dinurog na toasted bread, gagamit din tayo ng 3/4 can ng condensed milk, tira ng New Year, konting butter, 1 cup ng oatmeal, and then meron din ako ritong konting walnuts and some dates pang toppings. So first, sa mainit na pan, ibuhos natin ang ating condensed milk. Next is maglagay ng 1 teaspoon ng butter, pandagdag linamnam. Sunod na ilagay ang ating oatmeal at dinurog na toasted bread. Mix it a little at huling ilagay ang ating chopped walnuts. Haluin lang hanggang magkaroon tayo ng chewy dough consistency and we're done. So place it on a pan and you may add your desired toppings. Let it rest for a few hours either room temp or sa chiller before serving. So presenting my very own and very simple dessert,